How to fix Clash Royale matchmaking failed. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that you have a good internet connection. Sometimes having an unstable network connection can lead to these kind of issues. So another thing that you have to do is make sure that your Clash Royale is up to date. For that, open your App Store and then simply search for Clash Royale. So after searching for it, here you can see this is the application, tap on it. Then you'll get to see a update option if there are any kind of update requirement. All you need to do is tap on it and within few minutes, your application will successfully be up to date. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then another thing that you can do is simply try to offload the application. Get to your settings, then scroll down, tap on General. And in here, tap on iPhone storage. And then keep scrolling, and here you will see all of the applications from which search for Clash Royale. You can see it, tap on it, and then tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App one more time, and just like this, we have successfully offloaded the application. Then tap on Reinstall App one more time in order to reinstall it back to your phone. Within few minutes, this application will successfully be reinstalled on your phone and your matchmaking failed problem will be solved. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.